I'm going to show you guys how to make Twizzler spaghetti sticks. Okay? Make sure to peel off those Twizzlers so you get that. So you get that nice spaghetti stick. I'm going to eat this one. This is really easy to do, so it's an off for spaghetti. Look at that. Now let's give it a try. Having Twizzler spaghetti, you gotta peel off the Twizzler, and you gotta make it on your own. Alright, so peel off the Twizzler, get a big giant Twizzler, then peel it off, and then you have Twizzler spaghetti. Next up is going to be Starburst meatballs. It's coming up. So Starburst meatballs and Twizzler spaghetti. That's what I'm going to make. Sometimes Twizzler spaghetti and Starburst meatballs. Alright? Bye everybody.